Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Since we are back from UK and we have quarantined ourselves for 7 days in a hotel called Roseate House, let me show you my room and our quarantine life. Thank you guys, thank you for your overwhelming support for my previous video. So in this vlog also I am going to share something very useful for you guys. So watch my whole video and know that what useful information I have for you in this video. This is the entrance. From here we enter our room. This is our lovely room where we are spending our days since like 4-5 days already. Well, now I'm going to show you the best part of this room. So from this big window of the hotel, we can see the airport, the Red Fox Hotel, the Walmart Walk where you can see Accenture, the Central. We can see the main road from here. It's a pretty wonderful view.
Come on, let's see another interesting part of this room, that is the washroom and the dressing room. Here is the elegant dressing room just besides the washroom, and here is the passage to the bedroom. This is a pretty good workstation, and here lies a couch, L-shaped couch, pretty good.
One of my favorite place is this as well, because this is the small coffee and tea area. I have the favorite brand of tea over here, which is TWG, which I love.
And these are the water bottles we receive. So this is all about the hotel room. Now I'm going to share what I do during my quarantine days. As you can see, there are tables lying in front of each room. The meals are kept here on this table and we collect it from here. They ring the bell after keeping the food outside.
The food is here. Let's go.
So we get very basic vegetarian meal 3 times a day, in which we have chapati, rice, dal, sabzi and a sweet dish. They give us a food menu a day prior. We let them know our food preference on call.
2 continental breakfast, 1 Indian lunch and 1 Asian lunch, and 1 Indian dinner and 1 Asian dinner. Thank you. So apart from our 3 meals, they give us something nutty, covered with some chocolate, white chocolate or something, I don't know, but we both don't like, so we don't eat this thing. But every evening we get a box like this.
Every day at around 1 o'clock they come to check our temperature, that we are fit and fine or not. In every 3 days, a room cleaning is done and sanitized so that everything is clean and tidy.
To those who ask me how do I spend my time inside a room, so to them it's our quarantine days, so we have to stay inside a room. We are not left with much option. So for me it's a eat, sleep and repeat mode, but since it's not a vacation for Akshay, he is working, and I watch TV, I watch series and I read, I sip my coffee
I do my exercise and dancing.
So guys, we have to leave the hotel on Tuesday. So before that, we wanted to make sure that we are not suffering from any kind of COVID symptom. So we want to double check that we are fit and fine before going home, so that we don't infect anyone. So for that, we are going for COVID test, and they will give us the reports a day after. So watch out how do they do our swab test.
मुंह खोलेंगे और टंग बाहर करेंगे, 1 मिनट में बताऊंगा तुम्हारे।
So we both are going through COVID test. So first Akshay is going,
हैंड बैक कीजिए।
then I'll go.
ये पूरा स्टेबल है, पूरा यहीं पे किया आपको। आराम से रिलैक्स होकर बैठिएगा, आराम से। बैक कीजिए, हेड पर हाथ छोड़िए। आराम से बैठिए, इजी होकर बैठिए, आराम से बैठिए, कंफर्टेबल बैठिए, रिलैक्स होकर बैठेंगे, नो इंजरी आ जाता है।
So guys, here is the final report for our COVID test, and as you can see, we have been detected negative for this test. So finally, we are so much relieved that we have been tested negative.
So that's all for today, guys. See you in my next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.